Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Very quickly, a couple clarifications. Number one, I am trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, I'll put a link down below to a totally free 4-part series that'll walk through the futures market and how it all works. And then second, I am trading futures through a prop firm. What is a prop firm? How does a prop firm work? Which one am I using? You can find all that up at the link at the top of the screen there. But in a nutshell, a prop firm is a way for you to have very little of your capital at risk, and then you have a whole lot of upside potential. So if that sounds like something that could be of value to you, then definitely make sure to check out that link. I've already made a couple of trades. Futures are pretty much open around the clock, 23 hours a day, 6 days a week. So not anything crazy, but I'm slightly in the green. And yeah, kind of watching this balloon float away on me right now as I did the intro. But okay, whoa. That momentum. Let's see here. Do I try to capture some more of the momentum? Got to be careful though, because this thing can quite quickly snap right back down, which would not be ideal, obviously. Let's see what it wants to do. It's trying to maintain itself right now. But yeah. Now it's just kind of getting stuck up around here. So, all right, I will go ahead and pause the screen recording software for now. And if I see something that, yeah, I'm a little too uncertain right now. So I'll go ahead and pause. And as soon as I get a little bit more certain with something, I'll get the recording started again. All right, so I want to see this candle close up above the pink line here. And then I'm going to put an order perfect right down here. See if we can get, kind of a back test and then have it come back up. Not necessarily for the highs, but just if we can get a back test right here and then get a little bit more strength. So I don't want to chase it up here, but it has shown strength. So let's see if we get some kind of pullback here. Okay, if that green line turns blue, I'm in. Okay, I'm in. See if, like I said, we can get some sort of bounce up off of that. A little bit below right now. Wow, is this thing really just going to crater right back down? Give it a chance here. I mean, anything's possible, but for something this strong to get wiped away in the very next candle did not seem like that would have been the probable thing. But right now, that's exactly what's happening. But like I said, I still want to give it a chance to potentially recover back up. Wow. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on. Keep going. Get back above that blue line. Come on. Come on. Come on. Sometimes the market can be cruel and make you think it's going to go green. Look how close it is to going green. It's just going to play a cruel joke on me and then come right back down. Come on. Oh, it's like it knows now. It knows where my line's at. Come on. Push. Add here is the question now, because this is a pretty impressive comeback. I guess I'll leave it as is, but come on. Keep pushing now. Push. Maybe I'm getting greedy here. I had the chance at green after all of that. Come on. Go. Ooh. Come on. Do I add more? I'm going to add more there because I think Well, maybe that was my chance to get out just for basically break even, and I didn't take it. Wow. What a wild trade. That's looking like it's about to cook this account. I suppose there's still hope, but it is dwindling very, very quickly here. Wow. And this account is cooked. There it is. Well, on the bright side, I'm glad that was just a prop firm account. So no, I did not just lose that amount out of my personal funds or anything like that. So I don't know, a lot to think about on that one. I'm glad I didn't totally panic out because it did come back up. In hindsight, I suppose I should have taken the little small green gift it gave me. But at that time, it was looking great. And I was thinking, okay, now let's resume the ride back upwards. But in hindsight, that was not the right decision. So there we go. In prop firm lingo, a cooked account. But again, the nice thing and why, I mean, it's not nice to cook an account per se, but if you're looking at them like, wow, did you just lose $4,500 out of your like trading account? I did not. That is the power of prop accounts. But all right, well, it is what it is. I'm gonna call that one good. But yeah, what a wild ride into a cooked account. All right, have a good one. Hit that like button. See you into the next one.